Lord, that thing stinks. Kind of reminds me of my... What was that for?
Abandoning the mission.
What mission? You dropped off the grid. My squad was scattered. And that?
For coming back. Thank you.
You did good, rookie. No doubt. We're not out of this yet. Captain, how about you hang back? Let us clear a path.
Agreed. I'll stay with the asset and give it close cover.
Sure.
Buck, that turret has us pinned. We can't advance.
Take the watchtower, Cooper. Take it out.
Go hunt your own. Right here.
Flip Yap! No, Flip Yap is his brother! Don't tell me I don't know Flip Yap!
Get back, clear, hold up.
We're doomed!
The captain needs you guys.
Stay there. I'll just put him in the back of your head.
Take this with you.
That's the last of them. Captain, let's move.
Where are we going exactly?
Waterfront Highway. Fastest way out of the city. Can't that thing move any faster?
All the shooting, it's frightened.
Want me to give it a little push?
What do you think?
Just trying to help. This way. Should be an elevator right through here. Sit tight. We'll need the alien to power on the switch. Okay, we're all set. Hit it, rookie.
When did this happen?
They started showing up right before I went underground.
And you waited until now to tell me that.
Oh, I'm sorry. I was a little busy making sure perfume over here didn't take around and blow us all up.
Eddie Buck, always thinking with his gun. You haven't changed one bit.
Me? What about you? Oh, so full of big Oni secrets, couldn't even give a guy a yes or no answer.
That's not fair.
Oh, you got that right.
I never thought I'd see you again.
Yeah? Well, here I am.
We need to move, now. Were you too busy to plan our exit?
I stole a Phantom, yes, thank you. I hid it in the shipyards down the highway. But I only have room for 2, so that thing's gonna have to sit on your lap.
The engineer. Where did it go? Keep me covered. And try to keep up.
Take my advice, rookie. Never fall for a woman. Make sure she's got balls. Take the wheel, rookie. I'll ride shotgun. Hey, Captain? Pick a lane.
It's a little crowded in here. The engineer's doing something with the control circuits. Hey! Watch me put that!
Gotta be kidding me.
I'm doing the best I can. Just stay out of our way!
Careful! Get out! Keep it steady!
Focus! Save yourself!
Covenant must have shut these doors. Give the engineer a second to override the lock. That's it! We're moving on.
That's it, keep her steady! Reinforcements! Whoa! What just happened?
I think the engineer found a way to extend its shields, send a current to the outer plating. I don't know how strong the shields are, so stay close.
Don't worry, we got you covered. Steady as she goes. Hey, on your side! I'll take gunner duty. God! Hold your fire! I have him in my sight. Be careful. Stand up and get shot. Get down and be safe. That's all I'm saying. Heads up. Banshee. Another cruiser.
They're all heading to the slip space crater, Covenant dig site north of the city.
Move! Move, move!
Yeah! Strong! You're going down! Smell the blood! Phantom inbound!
Little people first! Now I gotcha! Monster!
Stay on target! Steady as she goes. Get me an angle. Go. That's it. Keep her steady. I have him in my sights. I'll take a ride. Concentrate on driving. I got this. He's gonna blow! Hey, hold up! It's a Gauss hog! Let's change vehicles! Move out! Da 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 da. All right! Hoorah! Keep her steady! This is Sparta! Keep it steady! Is it done? I see it! Must have dropped off for one of those cruisers! Just keep driving, it hasn't spotted us! Stay on target! Banshee, up above!
How the hell did you make it down this highway in one piece?
There weren't as many Covenant last night.
I see a Scorpion tank up ahead. We need the extra firepower.
Wearing out shoe leather, let me in. Just put me in range. Don't let that damn turret fire one more round! carrier. 10 o'clock high. That's the size of that thing. Ghost inbound. Here she goes. I think it's over.
It's charging its excavation beam.
But the dig site's on the other side of the city. Good work! No! They're gonna burn this city and then collapse the whole planet! Covenant bastards! Just like Reach all over again!
Made it out of there. Make it out of here. Do this stuff.
Right. Yeah. Okay. Mickey, you read me? Change your plan. You're coming to us.
Sky's kind of crowded, Gummy.
There's no other way. Covenant just waits at the highway. We're gonna keep rolling as far as we can. Get airborne, fly the Phantom to my beacon.
Understood.
Whatever you do, stay clear of that carrier. Look out! This one's onto us!
We're going too fast. I can't stop.
Heavy weapon! Now! Veronica! Talk to me!
Asset. It's all right.
Screw the alien, what about you?
This garbage truck's had it.
Take the next off-ramp. I see a building, north side of the highway. We'll hold up there, wait for evac. Out of the vehicle, trooper! Let's go! Veronica, wait here. Rookie, let's secure that building.
Right, this.
Area secure. Veronica, come to us. We'll cover you. Mickey, what's your ETA?
Had to reroute, Gunny. The whole damn city's on fire.
Trooper, I have a Tier 1 asset and a whole bunch of Covenant that want it dead. Whatever you gotta do, step on it.
Yes, ma'am.
Phantoms coming in!
I'm wounded.
Taken care of. There'll be more soon enough. I promise. More Phantoms! Look sharp! Roll through them like a one-stop light down.
Wraith, on the highway.
That's not good. Just nice to know they really do listen. Come on, let's get out of this city. Go, rookie! Head for the Phantom! What are you waiting for, trooper? Phantom, now!
That thing's safe?
Long as it don't get hit.
Come on! Damn it! Move!
Wow, nuts. What can I say? It was a hell of a night.
Easy does it.
We went through hell for that?
Give him some meds, would you? It's important. It knows things.
Heck, Gunny. I wasn't talking about the alien.
Mickey, I'm sending you a very special co-pilot.
Oh, come on! I don't want one of those things in here!
It won't bite, and unlike you, it knows what to tell those cruisers to keep them off our tail.
I think they're too busy to care. Looks like they found what they're looking for.
What about you? What about us?
Win this war? Then ask me that again. Lord Hood may have given you clearance, but it was my op and it's my interrogation. We only captured one. It's very delicate.
Don't worry. I know what the alien's like. It has access to the Covenant BattleNet?
Limited, but yes. We're not entirely sure how it manages a remote connection to the... What?
Whoa, stand down, stand down!
Sergeant Major, please. It's extremely flammable.
The brutes. The bastards who put bombs on your buddies and killed millions of my people. They're digging a mighty big hole. You're gonna tell me exactly what they're looking for, and then you're gonna help me stop them.